In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google AdSense to your YouTube account, a crucial step for those looking to monetize their YouTube content. Whether you're a new creator just starting out or an established channel ready to take that next step, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently, ensuring you're set up for success. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to Google Ads. This is a crucial part of the setup as it ensures you're connecting through the correct platform, laying the groundwork for a seamless link to AdSense. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, take a moment to do so. This will allow for a smoother transition through the steps we'll be following today. Next, to link Google AdSense directly with your YouTube account, you'll want to head over to YouTube itself. Once there, find your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to various YouTube settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is the hub for managing all aspects of your channel, making it the perfect place to start linking your accounts. Within YouTube Studio, you'll see a menu on the left side. Look for the option labeled Earn and click it. While my account might not be eligible for this at the moment, if your channel meets the eligibility criteria, here's where you'll see it reflected. Once you're in the Earn section, scroll down to find the Apply button. Clicking Apply will take you to the next steps, where you'll need to follow YouTube's prompts carefully. YouTube will then ask if you already have an existing AdSense account. If you do, that's great. Just click Continue to proceed. For those setting this up for the first time, don't worry. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an AdSense account specifically for your YouTube channel. Make sure you have all your necessary personal information handy, as you'll be required to provide these details throughout the process. By following these steps, you're paving the way to effectively monetize your content, allowing ads to be displayed on your videos and providing you with an income stream. It might seem like a lot at first, but remember, each click and each form is a step closer to turning your passion into livelihood. As we reach the end of the process, you should find that your accounts are now linked and you're all set to start earning from your YouTube channel. Congratulations on taking this important step towards monetizing your content. If you have any questions or run into any issues, there's an array of resources available both from YouTube and Google to assist you. Happy creating, and thanks for tuning in today.